Seriously, if you've been searching for something that actually stands out in the tech world, this is the one you don't want to miss. Go ahead and click the link in the description. Trust me, you'll come back later just to say thanks. Now, let me break down why this device is causing such a huge buzz everywhere. We're talking about smooth performance that doesn't lag, a clean and solid build, and a user experience that feels instantly familiar, even if you're not tech savvy. And that alone would already make it worth checking out. But here's where it gets wild. The real-life performance is even better than the specs on paper. I've tested so many gadgets over the years, phones, accessories, smart devices, and rarely do I find something that blends practicality, power, and simplicity all in one package. This one does. It just works, and it works well. You don't need to fight with. Seriously, if you've been searching for something that actually stands out in the tech world,